Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, November 18th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, wide state, inverted H. Inverted H, wide state, oscillator agreement. 555 inverted H, inverted H.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains, and we're going to see if this price can drop down to the 50 moving average on our 1 minute chart. So here's the impulse. We're in a corrective wave. Let's turn this down, copy it. If the price drops through the 496.75 level, we might go all the way down to filling that gap, if not farther. If we stick around and we hold on that 50 moving average for too long, we'll just pull our profits at that point. We're going to get out right.
Order filled.
And there's a $1.50 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to prepare to go right back up with the market here soon. But as always, never forget, be a pro.